10.22 kgs of gold that has been seized at the Amritsar International Airport. 6 Dubai returnees and 2 different destinations, from 2 different destinations landed in Amritsar under the Vande Bharat mission have now been detained by the customs. The gold was concealed in household appliances like iron, drill machine, mixer grinder, etc. And this was a unique modus operandi. We are also putting out the pictures for our viewers of how exactly the gold was hidden, and nearly 10.22 kgs of gold has now been seized by the customs. My colleague Amandeep is joining us on the phone line. Amandeep, give us more details, because the Kerala gold smuggling racket that continues to make headlines and the probe that is getting deeper by the day. But is it a separate incident altogether? Who are these returnees from Dubai who were caught by the customs with this gold, and especially of how it has been recovered? So the modus operandi that is coming to light, have they been operators functioning for a long time? What more do we know?
Yes, exactly, Swesha. The way you pointed out that after the Kerala gold smuggling case, all the international airports are put on high alert to check these kind of smugglings into the India. So the way customs in Amritsar, they were also on high alert and put out the teams to check all the illegal activities at the airport. And even yesterday, the customs had identified some suspects who returned from the Dubai and carrying some household appliances like iron, mixer grinder, and drill machine. So these are the kind of appliances that gold was concealed into these. And in fact, when they checked it thoroughly, all the investigation had been done yesterday, then it has come to fore that around 10.22 kg gold was concealed into these appliances, and the entire gold has been sealed. All the 6 returnees, Dubai returnees who landed in Amritsar in 2 different flights under the Vande Bharat mission, they have also detained, and further investigation is still on. It is very important to know for the customs that who are the customers here in Punjab, that these returnees going to deliver that gold, that smuggling gold to whom. So this is a very important aspect of this entire investigation, and now the customs department is taking care of the entire case. But the gold has been sealed. This is a very important mark, just because they have also opted a new modus operandi that is very unique, that even the custom department has not even seized the gold the way it was brought yesterday. So this can be an entire nexus that the gold was smuggled from the Dubai to Punjab and further for the different parts of the country. And in fact, customers are on to it to investigate the entire case thoroughly to get more details out of it. Yes, Visha.
Also, Amardeep, because these are not even regular flights that are operating, these are special flights under the Vande Bharat mission. And so very important to understand whether these were habitual offenders who had been violating the law even in the past, and how exactly were they functioning. We'll talk more about this, but for the moment we move on. Thank you, Amardeep.